Mindfulness is a practice of focusing on the present moment and being aware of one's thoughts and feelings. It has been proven to be an effective tool for managing stress, improving mental well-being, and reducing negative emotions. We'll explore the many benefits of mindfulness and how it can help you improve your mental well-being. We'll discuss the basics of mindfulness and how to begin a mindfulness practice, as well as tips for deepening your practice. If you're looking to increase your mental well-being, mindfulness can be a great starting point. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is the practice of being aware and present in the moment. It's a state of non-judgmental awareness of one's thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations. Mindfulness can be cultivated through meditation, yoga, journaling, or other activities that promote greater awareness. Through regular practice of mindfulness, one can learn to observe their thoughts and feelings without attaching any judgment or value to them. This allows for a greater understanding of oneself and an increased ability to respond to situations with clarity and insight. Mindfulness can help to reduce stress, anxiety, depression, and even improve physical health. With regular practice, mindfulness can help cultivate a more positive outlook on life, as well as improved relationships with others. The benefits of mindfulness. Mindfulness has become increasingly popular in recent years as a way to reduce stress, improve mental health, and boost overall well-being. Mindfulness can help us become more self-aware and allow us to take better care of ourselves. It can also help us focus our energy on the present moment rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Additionally, mindfulness can help us better regulate our emotions and manage stress. Research shows that mindfulness can have many positive effects, such as reducing rumination, increasing self-compassion, and improving sleep quality. One of the most important benefits of mindfulness is that it can help us develop more balanced and healthy relationships with ourselves and others. By being more present and accepting of our own emotions and physical sensations, we can better recognize and manage our reactions to other people. This in turn can lead to stronger, more meaningful connections with those around us. Mindfulness can also help us cultivate a sense of gratitude, allowing us to appreciate all the small blessings in life. Taking time to be mindful can also help us relax, increasing our levels of joy and contentment. Finally, mindfulness can also help increase our productivity by allowing us to focus on tasks at hand without getting distracted. By taking the time to be mindful of our own thoughts and feelings, we can reap the many benefits that this practice has to offer. How to start practicing mindfulness? Practicing mindfulness can be easy and rewarding if you take the right steps. The key is to make it a part of your daily routine and to understand that it's an ongoing practice. Here are some tips on how to get started. Start small and focus on the present moment. Mindfulness is all about being in the moment, so start by focusing on what's happening right now. Take time to notice your breath, the sounds around you, and the physical sensations in your body. Find a comfortable space. You don't need a lot of space for mindfulness, but it's important to find a place where you can sit or lie down comfortably without distractions. Consider setting up a designated mindfulness area in your home. Set aside dedicated time. To make mindfulness a regular part of your life, try setting aside 10 to 15 minutes each day for meditation or breathing exercises. Schedule this time into your day like any other appointment and make it a priority. Choose activities that resonate with you. There are many different types of mindfulness practices and activities you can do. Experiment with different ones to find the ones that work best for you. This could include meditation, yoga, journaling, guided visualization, and walking meditation. Seek guidance. Learning mindfulness can be easier with the help of an experienced teacher or practitioner. Consider attending a local class or joining an online course to get the support and guidance you need to stay motivated and focused on your practice. Tips for making mindfulness a part of your daily life. Schedule regular mindfulness sessions. Set aside a specific time each day to practice mindfulness. Whether it's 5 minutes in the morning or an hour at night, set aside this time for you and your mental well-being. Start with small steps. Begin by spending just a few minutes each day focusing on your breathing. Slowly increase your practice as you become more comfortable with mindfulness. Make it a habit. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine by practicing it first thing in the morning, before bed, or even during your lunch break. Use guided meditations. If you're new to mindfulness, consider using guided meditations as a way to help you focus and stay on track. Focus on the present moment. Don't get distracted by past events or worry about the future. Focus on the present moment and what you are doing right now. Practice mindful eating. Take time to appreciate and savor each bite of your food. Focus on the taste, texture, and smell of what you're eating. Notice your emotions. Instead of pushing away or ignoring difficult emotions, try to sit with them and observe how they manifest physically in your body. Find joy in everyday moments. Look for joy in your everyday tasks. Maybe it's the sun rising as you take a walk in the morning, or appreciating the beauty of the world around you. By following these tips and making mindfulness a part of your daily life, you can enjoy all the benefits that come from being mindful and taking care of your mental well-being. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications to be notified of our next upload. And remember, the mind and body is simply a machine that you have control over. Don't let such a powerful machine run on autopilot.